Lord Kodiak Locksport.
Hey everybody, it's Lord Kodiak. I'm going to do the Cuff College SW4, the Smith and Clippy Edition. Thank you Not Too Dad for putting on this challenge series. And we're going to put these cuffs on and use a paper clip to escape. Nothing fancy, holes out, doesn't have to be double locked. Cuffs are on, use a paper clip. Find a way to bend said paper clip. Put said paper clip in the keyhole. And escape. Do the other side. Don't know if I already bent that one up too much or not. Let's try again. Yep. So I need to fix my bend. I'm already a free man. I can run with one hand open and worry about taking this one off later. But now I'm free altogether. So that was the Clippy Edition. Shacklemen Cuff Club. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.